Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a Honeybook contact form to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add a Honeybook contact form on. Go to Pages and select the page you want to add your Honeybook contacts on. Most of the time it will be added to the contact page. Click on Edit from the top to go into the editing mode. Between sections, click on this Add Section blue button. Select a blank section. Then click on this Add Block and look for code. Click on Code. Now you have your code here. Now go to the Honeybook website. I will start a free trial. I will sign up using my Google account. I think they have a problem with their server right now. I will refresh this page, giving it the last try, or instead I will fill in my email address manually. Click on Continue. Ben's Experience Login. I don't. I think I can't create my account, so I will keep. At the time of recording this video, unfortunately, Honeybook has a server error. Now, after logging to your Honeybook account, go to lead form from the top, click on contact form, and then fill in this information. And after that, after creating your Honeybook contact form, you need to customize your form. This is how to do it. Click on Save Changes. After that, you need to copy this code by clicking on this copy code and go back to your Squarespace site editor. Select the code block we've just added. Click on this little pen and replace it just like that. Delete this one and paste your code. After that, click on this save button from the corner to not lose your editing. Then exit this page to go into the preview mode. After that, this is your website live, and your embedded code will show up the Honeybook contact form. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.